Hi! These are directions for how to do the How to Be an Upstander assignment on Schoology. In the How to Be an Upstander folder, there are two videos, cyberbullying and how to be an upstander. Watch both, then open this assignment. After this assignment is complete, do this little quiz. When you open the assignment, the attachment looks like this. It has 2 pages. I'm going to read it to you out loud. How to be an upstander. You will be able to reflect on what it means to be brave and stand up for others offline and online, learn how to show empathy for those who have been cyberbullied, and generate multiple solutions for helping others when cyberbullying occurs. Read along. The situation. Kevin sends his friend Jose a short video he made at home, a reenactment of a famous fantasy movie scene. Jose, laughing at how Kevin looks, shows it to some other boys at school. The boys laugh at Kevin too, and then decide to post it on a video sharing website. Millions of people then view Kevin's video. Nasty comments are posted. Every day, Kevin goes online to check the site and sees more comments like, beep, and fat nerd. Every day he goes to school and hears similar cruel comments from his classmates. Oh. Draw. Sketch a drawing or a mind map of this situation below. Label bystanders, upstanders, and bullies. It's talking about the situation with Kevin that we just read about here. Next, write. Now create text messages in response to Jose and Kevin in the spaces below. What would you say to Kevin to show your support for him? Hey Kevin, ... What is one thing you would say to Jose as an upstander if you wanted him to stop the cyberbullying? Jose said, look at the nerd in this video. You say, write, like it says above, write your text messages in these boxes. Submit the assignment and you'll be good. Thanks.